So first you start with your lean minced turkey and add your seasonings. I add about a spoon of each. I start with garlic powder, roasted garlic and peppers from Clubhouse, some sage, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Then I add some chopped green onion and I mix everything together and continue to make my meatballs. Don't make them too big because you are putting them in the air fryer and you want them to cook thoroughly. Once you've made all the meatballs, whisk 1 egg and coat all your meatballs with the egg because you want them to stick together. You don't want them to fall apart in the air fryer. I leave them in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. My heat is preset. And I only use 1 spoon of olive oil. While your meatballs are cooking, you want to prepare your sauce. I cut up some red pepper, onion, garlic, and mushroom, and I sauteed them on the stove with some olive oil. I then added Hunt's spicy garlic tomato sauce and re-added the same seasonings I used for the turkey meatballs. After about 15 minutes, your meatballs should be ready, and you can continue to add them to your sauce. Mix everything together, and there you have it. You can add some cilantro, parsley, and eat it on rice or pasta. Enjoy!